2 plus 1 which equals 3. Then 3 times 3 which equals to 9. Here 18 divided by 9 is just equals to 2, okay? But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent and multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction, okay? Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction, okay? In this expression, there is one division here, one multiplication, the parentheses, inside the parentheses there is an addition, okay? Therefore, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parentheses, next this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this parentheses or this division, it is wrong, okay? Therefore, according to Pemdas, first parentheses 2 plus 1 which equals 3. Then 18 divided by 3 times 3. Here there is a division and multiplication. As you remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. Therefore, we have to do this first, okay? 18 divided by 3 which equals 6. Then times 3. 6 times 3 is just 18. This is the correct answer of this problem, okay? Therefore, the correct answer of this problem is equals to 18.